Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SILATU CNC plasma cutter machine, 85 amp. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. It consists of the following features. CNC function. The SILATU plasma cutter is equipped with blowback technology and a non-HF, non-high frequency, pilot ARC, which are compatible with CNC systems. This setup minimizes the risk of high-frequency signal interference, thereby improving cutting stability. The non-contact blowback pilot arc initiation ensures that the arc starts without the need for physical contact with the metal. The machine features 2 connection ports, a 2-pin connector for arc voltage output at 1:1 ratio and 5-pin connector for signal control. This design facilitates seamless integration with CNC cutting tables. Cutting thickness. This non-HF pilot arc plasma cutter from SILATU includes an automatic voltage detection system that works with both 110 and 220 volt inputs. Operating on a single-phase power supply with a 60% duty cycle. It is optimized for cutting materials up to 12 mm thick at 40 amp on 110 volt with 45 psi air pressure, and up to 30 mm thick at 85 amp on 220 volt with 70 psi. For electrical safety, it requires a big current circuit breaker for 110 volt operation and a 50 amp breaker for 220 volt. The versatility of this SILATU plasma cutter makes it suitable for a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and more. Digital screen display. The SILATU CNC plasma cutter's digital display panel provides a centralized view of key parameters such as air pressure, voltage, and current. This allows operators to monitor the machine's status in real time and make adjustments as needed, enhancing operational efficiency. In the event that the blowback plasma cutter does not function properly, the screen offers an error code system to assist in troubleshooting and identifying issues quickly. Air sensor technology. An integrated air sensor displays the air pressure on the machine's front panel. Users can manually adjust the air pressure using the air regulator, as automatic adjustment is not available. An air filter is installed at the rear of the unit, featuring a quick connect 1/4 NPT air fitting for easy setup. When connected to an air compressor, the recommended air pressure should be set to around 65 psi, with a flow rate of approximately 250 liters per minute. PT, 2T, 4T, PA function. The post-flow cooling time, adjustable between 3 and 15 seconds, extend the life of the torch head and consumables. The 2T mode offers semi-automatic control over the torch trigger, whereas the 4T mode enables fully automatic triggering, freeing the operator's hand. The PA setting adjusts the duration of the pilot ARC additionally. The SILATU plasma cutter model STC850P Max incorporates a mesh cutting mode designed to prevent ARC interruption when cutting mesh materials. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button. Share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.